Hi, Jim Romer from bestweatherinc.com. Weather Wealth, the only all-commodity weather newsletter in the world that gives trading strategies. Today, we're going to be talking about the negative EPO Index. What is that? And what do we tell our clients on Thursday that we could see a break in the grain market and rains in the Midwest? This is the way the EPO Index looks during the winter. The high-pressure ridge you see off the west coast there near the Gulf of Alaska could actually bring cold weather into the United States when you have a negative EPO, that blocking ridge out west, and that can actually set the stage for a rally in natural gas prices. Right now, though, the big concern in the grain market is, of course, this expanding drought where you see the orange and the yellow. That's created a bull market once again in corn and beans until this Friday morning. Why? Look at all this rain coming into the western Corn Belt, North and South Dakota. Some areas over an inch of rain, and we actually told our clients about this on Thursday. As you can see, some of the models showing there on the left up to an inch of rain into the western Midwest on Friday morning. Look at the way the ridge moves a little bit further west, a little bit more toward a negative EPO. Still a lot of heat and dryness. Record heat next week actually across the Rockies into California. But what actually will be the long-range outlook? How will the EPO affect grain trading? We can see that the negative EPO index is forecasted to persist into the early part of July. That's going to play some havoc and some tricks on this Midwestern dome. Now, as you know, the Midwestern dome there has been actually building further north, creating a bull market in corn and beans once again, expanding this drought that you see over the western Midwest. But again, as we mentioned to our clients yesterday, we thought that the ridge would be a little further west. In contrast, look at all these meteorologists using this model where you see red, all going drier than normal weather here for the next couple of weeks. Yes, some areas are not going to get the rain, so we have some exciting trading strategies, various option strategies for you to take advantage of these volatile moves in corn and soybeans. But the main thing is going to be this EPO index. On my program, Climate Predict, you see the star there. That's the present EPO value. If that EPO goes back to positive, which means that block, that western ridge, begins to weaken and move back over the Midwest, then the grain market could actually really soar and come back during the course of the summer. So that's one thing we're going to be watching for many of our clients right now. Again, that ridge is moving west temporarily, and as you see there on the left, right of your screen, and that's because the negative EPO index, the blocking ridge, expands across into Alaska. You actually could see that a little bit clearer here on this jetstream forecast map going out about a week or so. Look at that in the upper left there, the negative EPO over Alaska, how it's building the ridge further west. The blue you see over the Great Lakes and Northeast there in the center of your screen is going to cool things down over the Midwest. The question is going to be, is it going to rain? And if so, how do you hedge corn and beans? How do you take advantage of option strategies? We'd love to help you. You can always email me if you have a question. We have farmers and traders all over the world that we tend to give this information to ahead of time. And again, have a very nice weekend, and we hope you join us. Thank you.